Hi everyone, hope this message finds you doing well. Quick market update for you as to what's going on. As we've seen a lot of volatility pick up in the last few days because of last Thursday's CPI numbers, inflation from the month of May came out. Unfortunately, many economists were predicting and hoping that inflation numbers would come in at a lower point than where they did the month previously. Unfortunately, those numbers actually came in higher than the previous month, showing that inflation is still red hot, not cooling down. And so because of that, the market has been in a sell-off mode. Because of that, we've seen a lot of volatility and around that. The question, though, really is not if inflation will cool off, but when. And how aggressive does the Federal Reserve need to be in order to get inflation under control? The reason that the Fed breaks apart inflation into two measures, both core and headline, is because there are elements of inflation that are core, and then there are other elements of inflation that they deem as more volatile aspects of inflation that would be considered in the headline number. As an example, food and energy prices are not in core inflation, but they are in headline inflation. And the reason that they're not counted in core is because they're extremely volatile. As we all see at the pump and at the grocery store, food and energy costs have gotten out of control, and I think a lot of people are feeling it. I know I went to the store the other day on my way home from work, and I had to pick a few things up that my wife asked me to pick up, and I was blown away at how expensive just those dozen items had gotten. And I think we're all seeing that and all feeling that. Core excludes those volatile elements that would be considered in the headline. That number, of course, is a little bit lower. The hope and expectation was that that number would come in at 6. We saw that come in at 6.1. The headline number came in at 8.6, up from 8.3 the previous month. So there's a lot of concern around inflation and the Fed's actions around that. But eventually, the Fed will be successful in getting a hold of inflation. The question is when, right? And so there's a lot of economic data that we're starting to see come through now. And the economy is starting to slow down. We're seeing it with housing starts. They were, with a recent reading was they were down 14.5% month over month. You've seen mortgage applications come down, and you've started to see some of these high-flying startup tech companies starting to do some layoffs. In fact, recently, Coinbase, who had their IPO last year, is laying off a double-digit percentage of their workforce. So the Fed's actions are starting to cause the behavior, the demand side of things, to start to slow down. Will we go into recession or not? I don't think is really the question that we need to answer. Is just the question is, or the answer rather to the question is, how will this affect profitabilities and earnings from companies, right? And then how long will it affect them? The R word, recession, is really just a label for all of that, right? And so that's a little bit about what's going on, and I hope that if this information was valuable to you and you want to have a deeper conversation with me or any of our advisors, please go ahead and click the link in our bio to schedule some time with one of our advisors. Hop on our website at instrumentalwealth.com. We'd love to have a deeper conversation with you if this is of interest to you. Thanks, and have a great day.